how to make chapters in YouTube video. So first, go to your YouTube studio, and then you can just click on content here and then choose the video that you want to add a chapter to. So let's say I'm going to open this one. Now here, just go to the description, and then here begin typing in the time and the title for each chapter. All right. So let's say for 000, this is the start of the chapter. So let's say I'm going to type in intro here. So this is my first chapter. And then, for example, for the second chapter, it begins at 0 semicolon. And then let's say 14 seconds. And then I'm going to type in, let's say, second chapter. All right. Now you can do this again for each chapter that you want to do. So let's say I'm going to use the third chapter. So semicolon again. Then type in the time. So let's say I'm going to type in 30 seconds here. So for this 30 second, this is the third chapter, right? So let's say you're done adding all of the chapters here. So make sure this is the format that you use. And then once you've uploaded this video, you can see your chapters here from when the video starts and then when the chapter that you typed in here starts. All right. And so that's it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.